Drop it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ministry of Taste. Today we are preparing raisin and oatmeal cookies, a very simple and easy recipe. I hope you guys are keeping safe and staying home and trying my homemade recipes. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share and like and hit the bell button. And if you have any feedback or any suggestion, or you want me to prepare any recipe for you, leave your comments below in the comment section, or you can message me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is IamSarthakKochar. And very important, don't forget to wear your mask when you are going outside with hand gloves for your safety. Stay home, stay safe and happy cooking.